The data obtained from iScan can be processed and saved into options. First, the high-resolution scan option that can be used for high-resolution processing scans when set in on. Second, the normal resolution mode that is used for normal resolutions when the option's off. The Use High-Resolution Scanning option can be turned on and off in Menu, Setting. Before the scan begins, change the option first. After checking that everything has been scanned, proceed to click the Complete button. The high-resolution scanning takes longer processing time as more detailed analysis is required. After saving the STL file, use the viewer to compare the data. In comparison to normal resolution scanning, high-resolution data is more detailed. Since the normal resolution scanning quality is also excellent, we recommend that you use the high-resolution scanning function selectively in case where higher resolution data is required.